Today we discuss on one of the important topic Python. As we know that Python is a dynamic, high level, free open source and interpreted programming language. It supports object oriented programming as well as producer oriented programming. In Python, we don't need to declare the type of variable because it is dynamically typed language. For example, x is equal to 10. Here, x can be anything such as string, int, float, etc. depending upon the value assigned to it. Syntax print hello world. Now, this the meaning of dynamically typed language is that we does not give data type in front of the variable. Like in C and C++, we declare like int x is equal to 10, float x is equal to 10.5. But in case of Python, we directly assign the value. It will assign the type of the variable at runtime. Now we study the future of Python. The features of the Python are described below. Number one is easy to understand. Python is very easy to learn as compared to other languages like C, C Sharp, JavaScript, Java, etc. It is very easy to code in Python language and anybody can learn Python basic in few hours or a day. It is also a developer friendly language. Python syntax is really straightforward. The code is defined by the indentation rather than by semicolon or braces. Because in C and C++ we use curly braces after loop, after function. But in case of Python we use indentation. Simply indentation so the bulky program can be converted. That's why we can easily understand the Python programming. Again, second one is interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language because Python code is executed line by line at a time. Means that we can check error in Python programming line by line. But in case of C and C++, it will be executed whole block of code. So it is difficult to find error in case of C and C++. Like C and C++, Java, etc., there is no need to compile Python code. This makes it easier to debug our code. The source code of Python is converted into an intermediate form called bytecode. Dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed language. This means the data type int, float, long, etc. or a variable is declared at runtime. Because of this feature, we don't need to declare the data type in Python. Means I already told you previously. 4. 4 number. Open source and free. Python is freely available at the official website since it is open source. This means that source code is also available to public. So you can understand it, use it as well as share it. It has large community across the world that is dedicatedly working towards making a new Python module and functions. Again, 5 number. Large standard library. In Python, we found large standard library for solving various problems in very easy way. Python has a large standard library that provide a rich set of modules and functions so that you do not have to write your own code for every single thing. There are many libraries present in Python such as regular expression, unit testing, web browser, etc. Again, sixth number is high level language. Python is a high level language because programmers do not need to remember the system architecture, nor do they have to manage the memory. This makes it super programmer friendly. 7 number object oriented language. Python support object oriented language and concept of class and object come into existence. It supports inheritance, polymorphism and encapsulation etc. The object-oriented producers helps to program to write reusable code and develop application in less code. 8 number is platform independence. Means that we can run Python in Mac, Linux, Windows and many versions. It can be easily executed. Python can run equally on different platforms such as Windows, Linux, Unix, and Macintosh, etc. So we can say that Python is a portable language. It enables programmers to develop the software for several completing platform by writing a program only. This is also the platform independent. Again, GUI means graphical user interface programming support. Graphical user interface is used for developing desktop application. PyQt5, Tinker, Kiwi are the libraries which are used for developing the web application. PyQt5 is the most popular option for creating graphical apps with Python. Have you heard about GUI and CUI? CUI is command user interface. In command user interface, we can run the program by only command. This is not that much user friendly, na? That's why Python is not command user interface. It is a graphical user interface. It will provide an application through which we can easily run our program. Again, why name Python? You know, Guido van Rossum was a fan of the popular comedy show Monty Python Flying Circus, broadcasted by BBC in 1964 to 69 to 74. So he decided to pick his language as a Python. So developer can pick his name of his language from his popular comedy show. Now, application of Python. The main application of Python is in web development, game development, IoT, Internet of Things programming, machine learning, artificial intelligence, database management, network programming. Every advantage have a disadvantage as well. So limitation of Python is in it does not used for mobile applications. Performance is not up to mark in case of Python. That's all for today. If you want more video and notes on these topics, please circulate this video to your college groups, friends, and uh, juniors as well so that they can also watch this video. The aim of this channel is to complete 1K subscriber. After achieving this milestone, I will share all the notes of whole semester so that you can easily read from these notes. Thank you. Goodbye.